All right, so we looked at subtracting integers. Now we're going to look at subtracting rational numbers. Here, you're going to see mixed numbers as well. We talked about converting these to improper fractions. So let me just open up Cami really quick. If I were to, let's see, subtract, let's see, negative 8 over 3/8, or negative 8 and 3/8. Right, we are subtracting 10 and 1/6. All right, so we converted these both to improper, and it did take us quite some time, and we got some relatively large numbers. So you can write this vertically, actually. So negative 8 and 3/8, or 3/8. Subtracting 10 and 1/6. Okay. The benefit of writing it vertically or stacked is that when you convert them, it's easier to convert, right? The denominator. So remember, we said that both of these can be turned into fractions with a denominator of 24. So you want to multiply top and bottom by 3. So this becomes negative 8 and 9/24. This becomes negative 10 and 4/24. So this is the benefit. Negative 8 minus 10 is going to be negative 18. Okay, and then negative 9. So if you want to write this, let me write this in red. Negative 9/24 minus 4/24. Okay. If we did keep change, keep that number, change the subtraction to addition, change the positive 4 to negative 4, you are left with negative 13/24. So you could do it this way. And that's part of that negative sign here. So you're really just going to have 13 over 24. All right, and that was our final answer. So this is a little bit easier to do this in a stacked form. You can still do improper fractions. That's totally up to you. All right, so you'll get negative 18 and 13/24 as an answer. Let's look at the second problem. Let me just erase this really quick. All right, let's change this to red. There we go. The second problem we said was number 8, negative 1/2. So let me write that down. Or negative 1/2 minus negative 5/9. So here, because it's not a mixed number, you don't have to convert it to improper. You don't have to necessarily stack it, but you can. It may be a little bit easier. So let's try it in the stack form. So I have negative 1/2 minus, we'll say negative 5/9. All right, so, whoops, if you were to convert these both having the same denominator, you can convert them to both have a denominator of 18. How do I turn a 2 into an 18? Multiply top and bottom by 9. So this becomes negative 9/18. Okay, just gonna cross it out. This negative 5/9, right? If I want to turn this into a fraction that has a denominator of 18, I want to multiply top and bottom by 2. So then I'll get negative 10. Cross this out. So now you have a completely new problem that reads negative 9 over 18 minus negative 10 over 18. Okay. Now remember, this is a subtraction problem. If you want to keep change, you can. In this regard, right, you keep the negative 9, change the subtraction to addition, change the negative 10 to a positive 10. So you really have, this becomes 1 over 18 for a final answer. Remember, negative 9 plus a positive 10 will leave you with a positive 1 over 18. All right, so you can do this as well. I think the stacked version just helps you change the denominator, and it makes it a little bit more organized.